What's up, guys? It's Steven here with the Dueling Brothers, back at it again for today's daily pack opening. We have not gotten a full holo in a couple of days now. Today I'm feeling like our luck is going to turn around. Let's see. We got Hell's Gate, Shadow Token, Island, Forest Aura, Air Rods, Lufferlang. We're not going to jump to it. Smoky Spirits, Sand Squonk, Index, Headless Nun, Unlucky Potion, and an Amy Cook. Well, the streak continues, guys. The streak continues of our reverse holo collection. We started off really strong, so let's hope tomorrow's better, guys. Y'all have a good one.